And the land of the Bree.
Land of the Brie.
Yeah. And the home of the brave. Ha ha. 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 Oh, oh,
Weep, weep, weep. The brand new sound of drum and
trumpet.
drum
Drum and trumpet.
You've heard of drum and bass, this is drum and brass. All the kids are dancing to it.
I love it.
Drum and brace.
Brace, yep.
Drum and brass.
Drum and brass.
We're so big.
What could be better than electronic music combined with German papa?
Wait for the beat to drop.
My feet are getting tired.
Let's do
Edelweiss, every morning you greet me, small and white, clean and bright. You look happy to see me,
but I'm not.
Ba ba. Weep, weep.
Wah, wah.
Edelweiss.
Do. Wah, wah.
Stupid.
Wah, wah.
Weep.
Weep.
James, I hope you're collating all of this for some beautiful song.
He's going to get so much
Oh,
out
my
of it.
calves. Hold on, I need to take a break.
You're listening to the No Rolls Barred on the Clocktower original soundtrack recording. Trebor mint.
A Trebor mint.
Do you want one?
No.
Do you know what Robert Mugabe's name spelled backwards is?
What is it?
Ibagum Trebor.
Oh, that's good, Ben.
That is really
Good shit.
Look it up, it's true.
I won't. I'm just going to pass that information on to as many people as possible.
Sally gonna get you, Sally gonna get you.
Please don't kill me, I'm an innocent man. Trying to have a nice
Important, books important.
Going around raving for blood with my best friend. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Property values are rising in Ravenswood Bluff.
Oh, yes. But actually,
Except for
they
the
should be
murders.
dropping because people are dying and there are more houses than there are people. Supply and demand.
But
That's
they
how it
have a
works.
very permissible judicial system.
This is true.
All you have to do is convince your neighbours that you're not a demon, and they'll probably leave you alone unless you're a
Or
chef.
kill you anyway to find something out.
Not even if they suspect you, they'll just kill you if they just to find out information.
If you're just a useless
this is
chef.
The scansion is driving me insane.
The detective.
Ugly, horrible chef.
Hey,
A useless chef who is
Useless.
ugly and gross and smells.
I may be ugly
Like
and gross, but what was that third thing?
Funny noises, funny noises, funny noises. With me, I'm making some noise.
We're being paid to do this. We're being paid to do this.
Worth every penny, worth every penny.
The most expensive video the train's ever made.
I'm sure they'll green light more.
Ollie's mortgaged his house for this.
I'm in a lot of financial trouble, guys.
What's that at the window? I hope that it's a duck. And not a demon.
Not a demon duck.
Demon duck. Toilet duck. Lemon duck.
Duck,
Orange
duck, goose. Duck, duck, goose. Duck, duck, goose.
Sally Bobs. He's jumping and he's laughing and he's giggling and he's jiggling. It's Sally Bobs. It's Sally Bobs. Sally Bobs.
Who wants a kiss?
Who wants a kiss? Who wants a kiss?
Who wants a kiss in the night?
One of yous must want a kiss in the night. Gracious. Who's this character?
During the night.
It's the ghost of the chef. The terrible night kisser. I don't like him.
How dare you speak for the ghost of the chef?
Like a little soundboard. I'm imagining the little Toad gif we used to have of Toad running along and screaming that we put on Discord all the time.
Keep making noise! Noisy.
We have some Ash Ketchum.
Oh yeah, you want some Ash Ketchum? Hey everyone, how's it going? I want to play Blow on the Clocktower too. Can I come join? I think Pikachu really wants to hang out with you all. Pikachu, what do you think? Pika! Yeah, Pikachu really wants to join as well. Yes.
It's such a good impression.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, matron, yes. Oh, I know. Oh, terrible. All the stuff that's happening in Ravenwood Bluff makes your eyes curl. Oh, no, I don't like a bit of it. These horrible murders. Oh, I know.
Oh, please be Kenneth Williams for the rest of
The rest of the day. No, I don't know if I can, because I'll get embarrassed when I do. I'd hate to give people the wrong social read.
This is a really hard demon kill, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. If it's been you the whole time, Sally, I'm gonna shit my pants. Live on camera.
That's for the patrons.
As long as it takes.
Yeah,
Keep rolling.
What did you do?
I'll be here for some time.
Shat on all the walls.
God damn it.
Everyone's afraid of motor cars and spiders.
I sit and wait. Does an angel
Oh no.
contemplate my fate?
I nominate myself.
Do they know places where we go when we're dreaming?
I nominate Robbie Williams.
Oh, we're really speeding it up.
I'm
lying in my bed. Fucking lying in my bed.
When I'm lying in my bed.
God's running through my head.
Oh, it's running through my head.
And through it.
Oh, she offers me protection. Love and affection.
You did technically ask for noise.